In this video, I'm going to show you how to download individual pages or slides within your Canva design. So I have this presentation. It doesn't have to be a presentation. It can be any design in Canva because they all allow to have pages in them. And I recommend being in this view mode where you actually see all the pages individually. So to go in that view mode, just click on this bottom right button saying pages. If you have it in this mode, it can work as well. I'm going to show you a method with that, but I'm going to do it in this first. So to download, let's say the first page, just click on that first page, and then click on the three dots, and then click download page. And now it will send you to this download settings where you can include some things you want to include in that. Maybe you want it to be PDF or MP4 or PowerPoint or PNG. You can do that and then download, and that will download this specific page. If you want to download multiple pages, then you can do that by clicking share and then download, and then over here select pages, just click on that drop down, and then over here just undo this select all and select whatever pages you need to download. So maybe I want to download the second slide, which is the summary, and the last one, which is the one that says famous people. So I'm going to click done, and that's it. That's how you can download individual pages, and then you can click download here. And if you're on the other version, then to download specific pages, you can do that by being on that. Make sure that you're focused on that slide. So make sure you're not. If you wanted to download page 1, then you have to be looking at page 1. Don't be on page 2. So yeah, you can click share and then download, and then click on current page. This will download the page that you're looking at. This is way easier than just selecting it, but if you prefer selecting it, then you don't have to actually look at the slide. So yeah, that's an alternative way. So you can just click page 1 or click current page, and then click done and then download. And that's different methods of downloading individual pages within your Canva design. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.